Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor templates. Elementor templates are powerful, pre-designed layouts that can be used for entire pages or specific sections of your website. They are a fantastic way to save dozens of hours in your design process, allowing you to quickly build professional-looking pages. You can choose from hundreds of options, and every single one is fully customizable to fit your brand perfectly. To begin, open the Elementor editor for the page or post you are working on. Look for the gray folder icon in the editing area. Clicking it will open the extensive Elementor template library. Here, you will find hundreds of pre-designed options, including both free and Elementor Pro templates. Simply select the template you like and click Insert to add it to your page in just a few seconds. Once your template is inserted, the real fun begins. Customization. You can easily edit all elements, from text and images to colors and fonts, ensuring it aligns with your brand identity. Feel free to drag and drop any of Elementor's more than 90 widgets onto the layout. Adjust section settings, such as padding and margins, and modify column widths to achieve your desired look and ensure perfect responsiveness across all devices. Elementor also allows you to save your custom designs as new templates for future use. Simply right-click on any section or column and choose Save as Template. These saved templates are accessible under the My Templates tab in the library. You can also export these templates as JSON files to use on other Elementor websites or import templates from other sites, significantly streamlining your design workflow and saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.